Come on, give me a real karate kick.
Hi, I'm Brian Henshin here at Kennco Manufacturing. Behind me today, we have a custom piece of equipment, which is an 8-row folding Superbedder set up on 40-inch centers with 21x3 press pans. The main key feature for this piece of Kennco equipment is the fact that it can fold up the last 2 press pans hydraulically. The customer had asked if we can reduce the overall width from 27 feet down, and we were able to get it down to an overall width of 20 feet. Our engineering team was able to come up with this design using the tractor's hydraulics with 2 sets of leads to be able to fold it up. If you're looking for a custom piece of equipment, give us a call here at Kennco Manufacturing. Our 800 number is 800-645-2591. We got a great engineering team here led by David. We got a great fabrication team. This particular unit was done by Greg, who's been here for a while. This is a piece of equipment that he is proud of, as all our employees are proud of everything we manufacture here at Kennco. For maneuverability and jab, cross, uppercut, hook. Give me a call. Give us a call. Give us a call.